Imagine a world where the vibrant tapestry of nature fades to muted tones, where the air is still and the familiar drone of buzzing wings is absent. This is the stark reality that would unfold in the absence of bees, those tireless pollinators that underpin the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the bounty of our tables. Their disappearance would not be a mere inconvenience. It would trigger a cascade of ecological and societal consequences, fundamentally reshaping the world as we know it and echoing the grim warnings of a silent spring. At the heart of this potential crisis lies the indispensable role bees play in plant reproduction. As they flit from blossom to blossom, gathering nectar and pollen, they inadvertently facilitate the fertilization process that allows countless plant species to bear fruit and seed. Without this natural service, the vibrant hues of wildflowers would diminish, their populations dwindling as they struggle to propagate. Forests would lose their understory diversity, and meadows would fall silent, devoid of the life they once supported. The intricate web of ecological relationships, where herbivores rely on these plants for sustenance and carnivores depend on the herbivores, would begin to unravel, leading to a decline in biodiversity and potentially widespread local extinctions. The very fabric of our ecosystems, woven with threads of interdependence, would fray and weaken in the silence left by the missing bees. The impact would extend far beyond the natural world, reaching directly into the heart of human society through our food systems. A significant proportion of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that grace our tables rely heavily on bee pollination. Apples, berries, cherries, almonds, squash, and countless others owe their abundance, and in some cases their very existence, to the diligent work of these tiny insects. Without bees, the yields of these crops would plummet, leading to scarcity and exorbitant prices. The colorful array of fresh produce we often take for granted would become a luxury, available only to a select few, while some staples might vanish entirely from our diets. The nutritional diversity that fruits and vegetables provide, crucial for human health, would be diminished, potentially leading to widespread dietary deficiencies. Furthermore, the impact would ripple through related industries, affecting livestock that rely on bee-pollinated feed crops like alfalfa and clover, and impacting the livelihoods of farmers and beekeepers who depend on this vital natural service. While human ingenuity might attempt to fill the void left by bees through labor-intensive hand pollination or the development of robotic pollinators, these solutions are unlikely to replicate the efficiency and scale of natural pollination. Such methods would undoubtedly drive up food production costs, further exacerbating food insecurity and inequality. The economic consequences would be far-reaching, impacting not only the agricultural sector but also the processing, transportation, and retail industries that rely on a stable and abundant food supply. In conclusion, a world without bees is not merely a hypothetical scenario. It is a potential future with profound and unsettling implications. The absence of their gentle hum would signify a fundamental disruption of ecological balance, a significant reduction in our food security, and widespread economic repercussions. It would be a world less vibrant, less diverse, and ultimately less sustainable. The fate of these tiny yet crucial creatures is inextricably linked to our own, serving as a potent reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the urgent need for their protection. The silence that would follow their disappearance would be a deafening testament to our failure to safeguard the natural world upon which we so fundamentally depend.